Hey there YouTube, Alana here from teachtraffic.com, and in today's video I'm going to go through what you can do if you think Google Ads is double counting conversion events in your account. But before we do, make sure you hit that subscribe button to this channel and also the bell icon so that you never miss a future episode, because in this channel we talk all about ninja PPC strategies that you can use in your business. All right, let's get stuck into this video where we talk about double counting conversions in Google Ads. And it's pretty common that people inadvertently set up their account in such a way where it is double counting. Okay, so here I am in a test account basically. So the first thing you want to check is the settings in your conversion tracking. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Tools and Conversions. Okay, and here you can see we've got one conversion event already set up and it's already tracking. Okay, so if I go into this, you'll see under the settings here, I've got account field, and I've set it to be one conversion. The other option when you set up your conversion tracking is instead of one conversion, it will be every. So a situation where if one person lands on a thank you page, which you're set up your conversion tracking for, if that same person, for whatever reason, goes back to that thank you page or reloads the page, Google records the same person sort of triggering the conversion event twice. And so if this metric here is set up to be every, Google will say there's two conversions, when in actual fact it's the same person, right? So I force Google to only count one conversion event per person, all right? But some people like to record how many times someone has done it. So for example, it might be with phone tracking, right? You might want to count the number of times someone has actually called. So that might be a situation in which you would want to count every conversion. But it really depends on you and your business, how you want to set this up. There's kind of no right or wrong really, but that can be a possible reason why Google Ads might be double counting your conversions due to this count column here. Okay, the other thing that you want to think about, if we go back to conversion section, is more of a situation where people are tracking more than one conversion event. Now in this account we're only tracking one event, but many accounts that I help people with are tracking multiple conversion events. So you might have a situation where one person does multiple different conversion events, in which case you will have a situation where it looks like Google Ads is double counting, but in actual fact that person is sort of working through all the different conversion events you've set up. So a classic example of this might be for e-commerce people, right? Where you have set up a conversion event of somebody who adds something to their shopping cart, and then a different conversion event for somebody who has added the item as having purchased, okay? So if somebody makes it through those steps and adds the item to the cart and actually completes the purchase, then Google's going to say there are two conversions that have happened off really just one click. So you might log into your account and see one click and two conversions and go, hang on a minute, it's just the one purchase, right? So how you can combat that is you might set your add to cart conversion event, which is the one that you want to know about but don't really want included in conversions. And this column here, include in conversions, you would set that to be no. Okay, and it's really easy to do. You can just go edit, we're going to go into this, edit the settings, and including conversions, you would just deselect that and then it wouldn't include in conversions. The good thing about this is that you will still be able to see in your conversion tracking if that happened. So it will still tell you if it occurred, but it won't be including it in the conversion column, which is kind of what you want, right? So yeah, they're the two possible reasons why Google would be possibly double counting conversions. And yeah, so thanks for tuning into this episode. Don't forget, subscribe, bell button, and if you like this video, hit the like and maybe even leave me a comment. Thanks again for watching.